Welcome back to Best Futuristic Gadgets. For most of your daily trips, the car is just too much. Too much fuel, too much parking stress, too much cost for a 10-minute journey. But a regular bike? Not enough for the cargo, the distance, or the hills. Electric trikes are the answer that fits exactly in that gap. Stable enough for anyone, powerful enough for anything, electric enough to make every ride effortless. 10 of the best ones available right now? Let's find yours. Number 1. Most trikes are built for function and forget about everything else. The Raam Thuya was built for the person who refuses to accept that trade-off. This is an award-winning electric tricycle from vanRaam, a Dutch manufacturer with decades of specialized trike engineering behind every weld and every component decision. The Thuya carries that pedigree in every detail. The frame geometry is designed for riders who need stability without compromise, low step-through entry, a seated position that puts you in complete control, and a 3-wheel platform that handles uneven surfaces, tight corners, and loaded rides without drama. For older riders, riders with balance limitations, or anyone who simply wants to ride without thinking about staying upright, the Thuya is the answer. Electric assist is smooth and natural. Pedal assist that amplifies your effort rather than replacing it, extending your range and flattening every hill without making the ride feel artificial. 10 assist levels let you choose how hard you work and how far you go. Cargo capacity is serious. Rear rack and front basket options that handle grocery runs, errands, and daily loads that would require a car trip on a conventional bike. Awards don't get handed to ordinary products. The Thuya earned every one of them. Number 2, a full electric trike that folds completely into something you can actually store. That's the XP Trike 2, and the folding mechanism changes everything about who an electric trike is for. Apartment dweller with no garage? Fold it, store it in your living space, unfold it when you need it. Traveling with it? Fold it, put it in a car trunk or an SUV, and take it anywhere. Small storage space? Fold it. The XP Trike 2 doesn't demand space you don't have. The folding system is engineered to be fast, a process that takes seconds and doesn't require tools, special technique, or upper body strength to execute. It folds, it unfolds, repeatedly, reliably, without wearing out. The electric system underneath is serious, a motor with enough power for real-world hills and real-world distances, a battery with enough range for daily use without constant charging anxiety, and a pedal assist system with multiple levels that makes every ride adaptable. 7-speed gear system works alongside the electric assist, giving you genuine control over your ride in a way that single-speed electric trikes never match. Stability, portability, and range. The XP Trike 2 is the first electric trike that genuinely has all three. Number 3. One motor is enough for you. 2 motors is enough for you and everyone you brought with you. This is the Sixthreezero Rickshaw, a 1,500-watt dual-motor electric rickshaw that carries passengers, cargo, and whatever else your day demands without breaking a sweat. Dual rear motors deliver combined power that handles loaded rides, inclines, and demanding terrain with authority. No struggling, no slowing down, no wondering if today's the day it gives up on a hill. The power is there when you need it, and smooth when you don't. The rear passenger or cargo platform is the defining feature. Generous, stable, and built for actual use rather than occasional novelty. Run errands, carry kids, haul equipment. The rickshaw handles it all on the same ride. Front basket adds front-end utility, hydraulic disc brakes manage all that weight safely, and the upright riding position keeps you comfortable for rides that go longer than a quick loop around the block. 1,500 watts, 2 motors, 1 trike that carries everything. The rickshaw doesn't need a second trip. Number 4. 3 wheels, electric assist, and it folds. The Triker 2.0 covers every base without asking you to compromise on any of them. This is the Qlife Triker 2.0, a folding three-wheel e-bike engineered for the rider who needs stability, convenience, and portability all from the same machine. The folding design is compact and practical, reducing the footprint enough for apartment storage, car transport, or tight garage spaces without requiring a full disassembly to get there. It folds, it stores, it unfolds and rides. Simple and repeatable. The electric assist system covers meaningful range on a single charge, enough for daily commutes, errand runs, and leisure rides without charge anxiety interrupting your plans. Pedal assist levels give you full control over how much effort you contribute and how much the motor handles. The three-wheel platform provides the stability that cyclists who've moved away from two wheels specifically need: confident cornering, planted handling on uneven surfaces, and a ride that doesn't demand constant balance correction. Folding convenience, electric range, three-wheel stability. The Triker 2.0 delivers all three without asking which one matters most to you. Number 5. Every other trike leaves you exposed to rain, wind, cold, and the general misery of riding in weather that didn't cooperate. The Envo Vimo puts a roof over that problem. This is a covered electric trike, a fully enclosed riding cabin that protects you from the elements while delivering all the range, efficiency, and parking advantages of a trike and none of the weather vulnerability of an open ride. The cabin is ventilated and visibility designed. Large windows, clear sightlines, and airflow management that keeps the interior comfortable without turning it into a greenhouse. Windshield wipers handle rain, the structure handles wind, you handle the riding. Electric powertrain provides serious range for urban and suburban distances, enough to genuinely replace short car trips while costing a fraction of the fuel and parking overhead. The enclosed design also means your clothes, your bag, and everything else you're carrying arrives exactly as dry as when you left. Narrower than a car, more protected than a bike. The Vimo found the space between them and built something worth owning there. Number 6. Urban riding demands a machine that fits urban reality: tight storage, unpredictable terrain, mixed-use commutes that combine riding with transit. The Viribus FC2 was designed for exactly that reality. This is a folding electric tricycle built specifically for urban environments, compact when folded, capable when open, and engineered to handle the specific challenges of city riding that rural-focused trikes consistently underestimate. The folding mechanism is fast and tool-free, designed to be executed at a transit stop, a building entrance, or a tight parking spot without requiring a dedicated ritual or more time than you have. Fold, carry, unfold, ride. The FC2 moves through urban life the way urban life actually moves. Electric assist handles city gradients, stop-start riding patterns, and loaded commutes with consistent, reliable power delivery. The three-wheel platform provides stability on tram tracks, cobblestones, wet pavement, and every other surface that makes city cycling interesting in the wrong way. Integrated lighting, fender coverage, and a build designed for daily use rather than weekend rides. The city has never been kind to cyclists. The FC2 is built to change that relationship.
Number 7. Riding should be something you look forward to, not something you have to prepare yourself for. The Victrip T1 was built around that idea entirely. This is an electric tricycle engineered for the pure enjoyment of riding, accessible, comfortable, and genuinely fun in a way that makes you want to use it every day instead of occasionally. The step-through frame design means mounting and dismounting is effortless, regardless of your mobility or flexibility. No swinging a leg over a high top tube, no awkward gymnastics getting started. You step through, you sit down, you ride. Electric assist is tuned for a natural, enjoyable feel. Enough power to make hills disappear and headwinds irrelevant. Smooth enough that the assist enhances your ride rather than overwhelming the experience of actually pedaling. The ride comfort is exceptional. A wide, supportive saddle, upright handlebar position, and suspension that absorbs road imperfections without transmitting them through your spine. Rear basket for daily cargo. Responsive braking, a build that handles regular use without demanding regular maintenance attention. Riding every day used to require motivation. The T1 makes it something you just want to do. Number 8. Mooncool built their reputation on electric bikes that punch above their price point. The TK Pro brings that same philosophy to three wheels. This is an electric tricycle that delivers serious performance, motor power, battery range, and build quality at a price that makes other trikes in the same capability bracket look like poor value by comparison. The motor handles real-world gradients without complaint. The battery delivers honest range on a single charge, enough for daily use without arriving home anxious about whether you'll make it tomorrow. And the pedal assist system covers the full spectrum from minimal support to near full electric drive. Fat tires provide traction and stability across surfaces that narrower trikes struggle with: gravel, light trails, wet pavement, and anything the road throws at you that a smooth tire would turn into a problem. 7-speed gearing works with the electric system to give you genuine control over every ride condition. Great value used to mean compromise. The Mooncool TK Pro proves it doesn't have to.
Number 9. Small footprint, full capability, no compromises on the things that matter. The Citytan M315 is a folding e-trike built for riders who need maximum practicality from minimum space. The fold is compact enough for genuine urban storage, apartment, office, car boot, without requiring you to partially disassemble the bike to get it there. It folds fully, stores cleanly, and unfolds ready to ride every time. Electric assist covers commute-worthy distances on a charge. Three-wheel stability handles everything a two-wheeler would make you think about twice, and the lightweight build makes the fold actually usable rather than just technically possible. Small trike, serious capability. The M315 fits where others don't and rides just as well when it gets there. Number 10. When you need to move serious cargo without a van, truck, or fuel bill, the Asomtom Whale is the answer. A purpose-built electric cargo tricycle with a load capacity that handles deliveries, hauls, and supply runs that would ground any conventional e-bike. The cargo platform is large, flat, and built to take real weight without compromising the ride or the range. Powerful motor, solid braking, a stable three-wheel platform that keeps everything upright no matter how loaded the deck gets. Move more, spend less, arrive without parking stress. The Whale makes cargo electric and makes it easy. Thanks for watching Best Futuristic Gadgets. Subscribe and stay upgraded.